Have you ever wanted to film something on your phone but the controls are too limiting? You want manual controls but haven't found the right app yet? Then this video is for you. I was watching the Blackmagic live stream yesterday and Grant talked about this new iPhone app they've developed. At first, I wasn't interested. And then I read somewhere that it is free. I'm like, I have to try this now. So I did. I have an iPhone SE here. I downloaded the app and have been using it for the last couple of hours. And I have to say, I am impressed. Firstly, no sign-in required. Wow, And if you've ever used a Blackmagic or any digital video camera with manual controls before, then this app will feel very simple and intuitive to use. So when you open the app, the interface is very clean. You see your frame rate, shutter, ISO, white balance, etc. here on top. The bottom left you have histogram, how much storage you have left in the center, audio levels on the right. I feel like everyone's going to be using this app in a couple of months. On the right you have zebras, peaking, guides, aspect ratio markers, false color, LUT support, etc. Below that you have auto and manual focus, auto exposure here. Below that is the record button. Let's record something. Under that you have digital stabilization modes. Then you have zoom and then a digital slate to note your shots. Settings. In settings you have like codec and resolution and color space, time code, etc. and then you can plus you can log into your Blackmagic cloud, record shots on this and immediately have them transfer to your DaVinci Resolve on your desktop, which is pretty awesome. And then if you have one of the newer iPhones with multiple cameras, you can switch the lenses too. This only has a 28mm, so that's what it offers. Another cool feature this app has is you can use it horizontally or you can use it vertically and it'll just crop the vertical video to give you a horizontal video. So if you plan on using it this way, make sure to film in 4K so you don't lose a lot of resolution because it is cropping into the vertical HD video. Remember, this is not an app to control your camera. Those exist, they have for a while, every manufacturer makes one. This is to shoot video on your phone camera with all manual, or shall I dare say, professional controls. I've always wanted to try Filmic Pro, which is a similar app and became famous for being used to shoot a feature on an iPhone back in 2013 called Tangerine. It was a paid app. I think it was around $25 if I'm not mistaken. I didn't have a good camera on my phone back then to justify the purchase. By the time I had a nice-ish camera on my phone and decided to spend money on it, they switched to a subscription model. Now, if you know me, I hate subscriptions. So I believe this is the first camera app with any and every feature you can think of that is available for free. That's it. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Like and share the video if you found the video helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll make a video to answer your question or reply to you in the comments. Thank you. Now, if this app was available on Android, I'd replace my Google camera with this app immediately. Unfortunately, it's not, and I don't use an iPhone.